Our biggest philosophy is why do we do what we do and how can we do it better? For my experience of what we're seeing in the Costco line, the D19 and produce cases have never been cleaned unless there is an issue or a failure in the case. Not until we open them up, we can clearly see how dirty they really are. When these cases are neglected and not maintained, they will build up a large amount of byproduct in the case, eventually causing failure. At that point, the refrigeration companies will need to come in and fix what the failure was, being a frozen coil, clogged drain. The food product can actually get up in places where it's warm and hot and begin to grow. Salmonella can develop from this, and dangerous bacteria could contaminate the food if this is not eradicated. A solution would be to provide a service for the D19 cases once a year. We use design carts exclusively for coil cleaning. Our carts run about 900 PSI max, which we usually use 700 PSI. We can move about 2.1 gallons per minute, which makes them extremely efficient with the amount of water we use. So at the end of the day, we use a tenth of the water a traditional sub pump would use. This creates less water throughout the system and less water to remove, or less water we induce to the evac system or the floor sinks, which can back them up and cause a tremendous mess. One of the reasons our carts are so efficient, our setup time is literally 15 minutes. We find a location that we're going to use near the location we're servicing. We plug in and start servicing. We're also seeing at Costco's, the evac systems they have to process condensation water out of the building are overloaded from cleaning. So we seal all the drains where evac systems are present, and we use our own evac system to remove all water from cleaning. The cleaning system that we use removes a lot of the dirt that cannot go into the evac system, which would overload the whole system and cause havoc. So we bring in our own evac systems to remove the water as we do the cleaning. We collect it as used, and we contain it and we remove it. It's very important not to only clean the coils and the pans below, but also the through system. There are air straighteners in the back of the cases that need to be cleaned. We use cameras that we put up inside so we can see before and after what we're trying to clean. We have equipment and nozzles that are able to get up into where those straighteners are. Honeycomb is a major issue with the case cleaning. We remove the honeycomb and we use our carts. We clean them with pressured water, not hose pressured water, to get them completely clean. The back wall of a case, especially in the D19s, have louvers and baffles in the rear of them that are extremely important to stay clear and clean. We provide the service also when we're doing our routine cleaning. It is very important for the entire coil to be clean so the heat transfer process can be maintained. Our technicians are highly skilled at the service they provide because it's the only service they provide. All we do is refrigeration cleaning. For more information on coil cleaning or refrigeration cleaning, you can give us a call or email us or go and check us out on our website.